My dear students, now I am going to explain problems based on Nernst equation. Calculate the electrode potential of copper wire dipped in 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution at 25 degrees centigrade. The standard electrode potential of copper is 0.34 volts. For half cell, we know that Nernst equation is A is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log Q. This is for single electrodes, Nernst equation. See here, cell reaction. We should calculate electrode potential. Here nothing is mentioned, whether it is oxidation potential or reduction potential. Nothing is mentioned means we should calculate reduction potential only. That reaction is Cu plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cu. This is the reaction. Reaction takes place in that half cell. It should be reduction reaction because here nothing is mentioned, means we should calculate reduction potential value. Cu plus 2 electrons Cu. So here E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log this Q is reaction quotient. So for this reaction, log of Cu concentration. Cu is a solid unity. It's a active mass or concentration is taken as unity. Then log of, instead of Q we should write 1 by Cu plus 2 concentration. Log of, for this unity, 1 by Cu plus 2 concentration. This E naught value is given. E naught value 0.34 minus 0.059 by this N value. Here 2 moles of electrons are involved. 2 log of 1 by copper ion concentration. See here copper wire dipped in 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution means copper ion concentration is 0.1. E is equal to 0.34 minus, see here instead of 0.059 I am taking 0.06. 0.059 I am taking 0.06. 0.06 by 2 means 0.03. Log of 1 by 0.1. 1 by 0.1 means log 10. This value should be log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Log 10 value is 1. Then 0.34 minus 0.03. Then this value should be 0.31. 0.31 volts. Calculate the electrode potential of copper wire dipped in 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution at 25 degrees centigrade. So electrode potential is 0.31 volts. So next problem. A galvanic cell consists of metallic zinc plate immersed in 0.1 molar zinc nitrate solution and metallic plate of lead in 0.02 molar lead nitrate solution. Calculate the electromotive force of the cell. Write the chemical equation for the electrode reactions and represent the cell. Given E naught Zn plus 2 by Zn is equal to minus 0.76 volts. E naught Pv plus 2 by Pv is equal to minus 0.13 volts. See first, here we should calculate electromotive force of the cell. Write the chemical equation for the electrode reactions and represent the cell. First I am representing the cell. See here these are SRP values. Given that standard electrode potential of zinc electrodes. This electrode potential is reduction potential. Zn plus 2 to Zn. This is reduction reaction. If Zn plus 2 gains 2 electrons, then Zn is formed. This is standard SRP, standard reduction potential of zinc electrodes. SRP value of zinc electrodes minus 0.76 volts. SRP value of lead electrode is minus 0.13 volts. While representing, we should identify that which one acts as anodes and which one acts as cathodes. In electrochemical series applications, I have explained that SRP value negative, SRP value more negative or SRP value least means it acts as anodes. Here both have negative values. For zinc electrodes and lead electrodes, SRP values are negative values. Among these two, which one is least value? Which one is least value? Zinc has the least value minus 0.76 minus 0.13. This is the least value. So electrodes having lowest SRP can act as anodes. So zinc acts as anode, lead acts as cathodes. So first representation, Zn plus 2, salt bridge, Pb plus 2, Pb. Zn plus 2, aqueous Zn plus 2, aqueous Pb plus 2. This is representation of the cell. Next, write the chemical equation. Left hand side, this is anode, this is anode, this is cathode. So left hand side, we know that oxidation takes place. Zinc gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. Next, right hand side, reduction takes place. Pb plus 2 electrons gives rise to Pb. Electrons will get cancelled. Then Zn plus Pb plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Pb. This is cell reaction. Calculate the electromotive force of cell, write the chemical equation for the electrode reactions and represent the cell. This is cell representation. This is cell reaction. This is cell reaction. Next we should calculate electromotive force of the cell. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log Q. This is Nernst equation. Electrode potential of cell is equal to standard electrode potential of the cell minus 0.059 by N log Q is equal to this E naught cell is nothing but E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This E naught cell is nothing but E naught cathode minus E naught anodes minus 0.059 by. Here how many moles of electrons are involved? 2 moles of electrons. Log of Q, reaction quotient. Log of the product of molar concentrations of products divided by product of molar concentrations of reactants. Zinc is solid, lead is also solid. So concentration is taken as unity. Then Zn plus 2 concentration divided by Pb plus 2 ions concentration. For this reaction, Q is equal to Zn plus 2 concentration by Pb plus 2 concentration. So here E naught cathodes. Here lead is cathodes. Zinc electrode acts as anode. Lead electrode acts as cathodes. For that cathodes, SRP value is given minus 0.13. Minus 0.13. Minus 0.13 minus electrode potential of anodes. Anode is zinc electrodes. Minus of minus. It becomes plus 0.76. Minus 0.0. Instead of 0.059, I am taking 0.06. 0.06 by 2 means 0.03 into log of zinc ions concentration. Zinc plate immersed in 0.1 molar zinc nitrate solution. So concentration of zinc ions is 0.1 divided by lead ions concentration 0.02. Plate of lead in 0.02 molar lead nitrate 0.02. Then this value minus 0.13 plus 0.76 0.63 minus 0.03 into log of 0.1 by 0.02. 0.1 by 0.02. This can be written as 1 by 0.10 by 2, 10 by 2. Log of 10 by 2. Next, E cell is equal to 0.63 minus 0.03 into log 10 by 2. Log 10 by 2 we can write log 10 minus log 2. Log a by b formula, log a minus log b. Log of a by b, log a minus log b. 0.63 minus 0.03 into log 10 value is 1 minus log 2 value is 0.301. We can take 0.3, then 0.63 minus 0.03 into 1 minus 0.3, 0.7. 0.63 minus 0.03 into 0.7, 0.021, 0.021. Then this value should be 0.63, 0.021, 0.609, 0.609 volts. So electrode potential of cell is, electromotive force of cell is 0.609 volts. So next problem. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrodes. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrodes in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrodes. Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrodes in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. Solution. We should calculate potential of hydrogen electrodes. pH value is given. pH value 10 is given. See, first I am calculating reduction potential value. Here nothing is mentioned, means reduction potential only. See, H plus electron gives rise to H2. This is reduction reaction. H plus electrons gives rise to H2. Hydrogen is gas. For this, Nernst equation, E of H plus to H2 is equal to E naught H plus to H2 minus 0.059 by N log Q. For this hydrogen electrodes, Nernst equation is E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log Q. See here this value. This is standard SRP value of hydrogen electrodes. We know that 0. For a She, electrode potential is 0. For a standard hydrogen electrodes, electrode potential is taken as 0 because that is reference electrodes. Minus 0.059 by how many moles of electrons are involved? 1. Log of Q. H2 concentration. Here for gas, instead of concentration, better use pressure. Pressure of hydrogen gas. Number of moles of hydrogen gas 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. Log of pressure of hydrogen gas power 1 by 2 divided by H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration minus 0.059 into, see, log of, here pressure of hydrogen power 1 by 2. Here pressure is not given. Not given means take atmospheric pressure only, standard pressure only. It should be 1 bar. Log of pressure of hydrogen 1 bar divided by H plus ion concentration minus 0.059 into log of 1 by H plus ion concentration. See, instead of this I am writing, instead of log 1 by H plus ion concentration, we can write log H plus ion concentration power minus 1. That minus into minus, it becomes plus 0.059 into log of H plus ion concentration. Electrode potential of hydroelectrodes, that is reduction potential, is equal to plus 0.059 into log of H plus ion concentration. See, we know that pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. pH is equal to minus log H plus ion concentration. Instead of this log H plus ion concentration, we can write minus pH. Instead of minus log H plus ion concentration, we can write pH. Instead of log H plus ion concentration, we can write minus pH. So E of H plus 2 H2 is equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Instead of this log H plus ion concentration, we can write minus pH. 0.059 into minus pH. We can write minus 0.059 into pH. So minus 0.059 into pH value is given 10. Then minus 0.59 volts. Reduction potential of hydroelectrodes. Reduction potential of hydroelectrode is minus 0.59 volts. So instead of doing all this, better remember this formula. This is very important formula. This is the reduction potential. Reduction potential of hydroelectrode is equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Like that, for oxidation potential also we can derive. Instead of doing direct, I am writing formula. See here, we should calculate potential of hydroelectrodes. Nothing is mentioned whether it is a reduction potential or oxidation potential. Nothing is mentioned means calculate the reduction potential value. So reduction potential is this much, minus 0.59. Direct formula, reduction potential of hydroelectrode is equal to minus 0.059 into pH. For oxidation potential, plus 0.059 into pH. Reduction potential of hydrogen electrodes is equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Direct formula. Reduction potential of hydroelectrode is equal to minus 0.059 into pH. Oxidation potential of hydrogen electrodes is equal to plus 0.059 into pH. We can use directly this formula. Instead of doing all this, directly we can write this formula. Reduction potential of hydroelectrode is minus 0.059 into pH. Oxidation potential of hydroelectrode is plus 0.059 into pH. So here we should calculate electrode potential. Reduction potential is minus 0.059 into 10 minus 0.59. Then oxidation potential. Oxidation potential of hydroelectrode is 0.059 into 10, 0.59 volts.